Interesting.
You know, I think about Mars having like aliens and, you know, weird stuff on there. You don't really think about all that other stuff.
Yeah. Well, yeah, they're going to have space issues, I guess, if you could call it that. I don't know. Yeah. Space is very, very interesting, but I kind of like to keep it down here on Earth, doing the atmosphere, everything we can expect there. A hot day today. We did have a little bit of relief in form of rainfall for our afternoon. That bumped us down a few degrees, but we've warmed right back up. I mean, we're sitting at 92, feels like 99 right now. Definitely feels sticky out there. So if you have any outdoor plans this evening, just know it is going to be muggy and sticky. I guess there's really no better way to say it. Tomorrow's looking pretty similar as well. Just know those heat index values are going to be extreme. I'm talking 107 for us here in Augusta, 104 in Acton, 107 in Evans, down in Sylvania, 106. And we actually have a heat advisory for almost all of our counties here in the CSRA. So just know during those peak heating times tomorrow, anywhere from probably 10 to 4, that is definitely need to be staying hydrated and taking breaks and going inside. For Monday, not looking as intense, but still, I mean, not too far off. We'll see near that century mark for that heat index value. So again, that's what it feels like outdoors. The temperature might be a little bit lower, but the feels like that's really what gets you out there. Still tracking some rainfall in our area though, even though some of it has passed us, but we have another storm starting to bubble up here that will be entering, really looking like Columbia and Richmond County over probably the next 30 minutes or so. But these storms have been pretty slow at moving, and so definitely giving a lot of rainfall to these areas across the CSRA, but some much needed rainfall at that. Tomorrow not going to be any different. We'll start off dry, but we're going to see a chance of those showers in the afternoon and then heavier showers possible later on in the evening and overnight hours. Here's what we're looking at around 11 p.m. You can see some heavier showers embedded in there, but that might help us cool off a little bit for us, and we definitely need it. I do not like that I matched this graphic behind me. You do not want my pink or red to match, but here's where we are. We're seeing that triple-digit heat again expected really for the next several days. We'll get a little bit of a break, and I'll show you that in just a second, but we are under this really just dome of heat, if you will. Very, very warm out there for the next several days. And hey, we officially have the first hurricane of the season. This is Hurricane Beryl, and it officially became a Category 1 storm today, and it's expected to track into the Caribbean and strengthen into a Category 3, which is a major hurricane. So that's going to be one to see if it does hit that Category 3 hurricane strength. Definitely going to be pretty interesting there. But bringing it back home, we do have those chance of showers and thunderstorms. Really heavy tomorrow night for us, but still going to see some throughout the afternoon. So make sure that you have your First Alert weather app handy and you can track when those showers are going to impact your area. Monday, looking a little bit less for those showers. Tuesday and Wednesday looking mostly dry, and hey, we're seeing that cold front coming through. I probably should mention that. Pretty big deal moving through Sunday into Monday, and that will feel those effects on it though. Tuesday, highs will only be in those upper 80s, but hey, we'll rebound quickly. By the 4th of July, we can expect to see those temperatures in the upper 90s, talking 97, 98, and that's the actual temperature. That's not the feels like. That's going to be way warmer. So if you have any 4th of July plans, you need to start hydrating now and make sure that you're planning a way to stay cool this 4th of July.
Absolutely.